Welcome to our grooming showdown. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison between two popular grooming tools, the Norelco Multigroom 7000 series and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer. The Norelco is known for its versatility and long battery life, while the SHPAVVER boasts a unique vacuum feature for mess-free trimming. Let's see how these two products stack up against each other in various categories. The Norelco Multigroom 7000 series is designed as an all-in-one grooming solution, featuring 19 pieces that cater to various grooming needs, including beard, hair, and body trimming. In contrast, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer focuses solely on beard grooming, equipped with a built-in vacuum system for a cleaner experience. While the Norelco offers versatility, the SHPAVVER excels in precision and cleanliness, making it ideal for dedicated beard care. When it comes to battery life, the Norelco Multigroom 7000 series stands out with an impressive 5-hour runtime, allowing for extended grooming sessions without the need for frequent recharging. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer offers around 90 minutes of use, which, while adequate, does not match the endurance of the Norelco. This makes the Norelco a more reliable option for those who require longer grooming times. Price is another critical factor in this comparison. The Norelco Multigroom 7000 series is priced at $64, offering excellent value for its extensive features and attachments. In contrast, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer comes in at a premium price of $169, reflecting its specialized design and innovative vacuum technology. While the SHPAVVER may appeal to those seeking a high-end grooming experience, the Norelco provides a more budget-friendly option without compromising on versatility. In conclusion, the choice between the Norelco Multigroom 7000 series and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer ultimately depends on your grooming needs. If you value versatility and battery life, the Norelco is the clear winner. However, if you prioritize precision and a mess-free experience, the SHPAVVER is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming comparisons.